Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Expert series. In this lecture, we'll be reviewing some apps that are very useful for getting high conversions. So the first app we will see in this lecture is this. You see when we are not on our default tab, it will be animating and you can easily focus on, then click back on your store. It will increase the conversions for your customers. So which app is doing this? This is Magical Browser tab animation. You can find it inside the Shopify App Store free of cost. This app is totally free. Once you will go to Shopify Store, you can search for Magical Browser tab animation and you can install it inside your store free of cost. The next app that is very useful is Looks Reviews. You can find the Looks Reviews inside the Shopify App Store, and you can do it install on your stores. Once you will install, you can import the reviews from AliExpress for your products. How to review imports? Click on import. Here you see Looks import file template. You can get this. Or you can import template. You can click here and you can download the import template for Looks. Just open it and also go to AliExpress. From here we will see how we can import reviews. Here jewelry set, we'll see how we can import reviews for one of our product. Here you see we have this product inside our store. We'll just open this and we'll also open this template. Once you are on the product, you will see reviews on the AliExpress. Just like this, you can add a review from here. Copy it, copy the name, and then go to your store. Inside your store, go to your collection. Inside your collection, you have to go here. Inside the product for which you want to show reviews, you just have to copy this last URL. This is a URL handle called in Shopify. So just open the Looks template. Inside here, you will see these things in the file here. Inside the product underscore handle, you can paste the handle we have copied for our product, and here you can see you can make an author and you can make email, and then inside the body is the basically text of a review that you want to show on your store. Just click it, make this thing, and then create it inside. And then for photo image URL, you can also remove this thing, or you can make, if you want to make add photo, you can make it. And inside the buy true and purchase. Okay, after this, save it. Once it's saved, you can save it, close it, and go to your store. Inside the reviews, upload template file, and once you will upload with one review template file here like this, it's just saying we will email you once the template is imported. And once it's imported, you can go to your Looks here. Inside the reviews, you can see two reviews. One is this, another is this. Now you can go back and If you click on this thing here, you see we have one review now. That is awesome. If somebody is clicking on this review, under this product page, you see we have reviews are showing. People can also write reviews, and by this way you can put the reviews on it and you can have higher conversion. So this was the review app. Some other apps that are useful are mega menu. With this you can create beautiful menus with images in it, and then we have some other apps. So this was the tutorial of lecture on apps. Thanks for watching. Bye.